Hello,
Hello,
Martin, Tracy, and Michaela. Hello, hello. Merry
Merry Christmas.
Christmas. Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Oh,
Oh,
what
what fun it
fun
is
is
to
to
ride
ride
in
in
a
a
one-horse
one-horse
open
open
sleigh.
sleigh. Hey!
Woo! Like
Jingle
bells,
bells,
jingle
jingle
all
all
the
the
way.
way.
Oh,
Oh,
what
what
fun
fun
it
it
is
is
to
to
ride
ride
in
in
a
a
one-horse
one-horse
open
open
sleigh.
sleigh.
Hello, Merry Christmas. It is Uncle Jim and
And Auntie Joyce.
very good. And we just wanted to say Merry Christmas, and Santa Claus is coming tonight, and he's coming to your house, and he told me that he's going to bring you lots of presents. Presents and more presents, and you're just going to have so much fun. But you got to go to bed before you so you can get up and see Santa Claus and everything, because he's going to bring you presents. Oh, I love you this much. Oh, I love you. I love you.
I love you this much.
Try to keep it in the film. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, before we go, we got one more song. And maybe you can help us with it. Let me take off my hat. Doo-doo-doo. Ah! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
had a very
shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. Can't remember. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. You'll go down in history. Okay, now, with that being said, and everything else, have a great Christmas. We love you guys, and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Merry Christmas.
Goodbye.
Love you.
Merry Christmas. Love you guys. See you soon. Love you that much. Michaela.
I love you this much.
That's my Michaela.
My Michaela.
It's my Michaela. My Michaela. I love you. I'll see you soon. Let me put my hat back on. Yeah, gotta go out and see. Bye. We love you.